I think we can see that is a night dragon. Gosh, and that is printed far better than I expected. That's the horns to go along in that slot on his back. I think I'll print another one. Yeah. Penis, it's not that clock. Battery's gone on that one. That one's right. That one needs a new battery. That one's right. That one's right going there. And that one's right. So, well, I say right. That says 2. That says 5:22. That says 5:2. That says 5:2. So that one's a bit fast. That one's stopped. That one's stopped. I've printed 3 of them. The sun is shining, so I'll just try throwing one of them across the garden. I've followed the instructions. I've bent the wings up a little bit to give us a tiny bit of dihedral, and the tail I've curved up a bit and made into a V. So we'll go and see what happens. So first of all, this one that I haven't trimmed. Yeah, haven't trimmed this one. Well, that did all right. This one that I put quite a bit of a curve into it. Excellent. And this one I've also put quite a bit of a curve into it. Yes. Well, they all fly fine. Even untrimmed. Have they survived crashing? Yeah. They look like they're all still in one piece. So the next thing will be to try them with the catapult launch. I don't know if we'll get a chance to do that today or whether that'll have to wait. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.